Oh, we have Luigi. Luigi has
A controller.
a controller
Psych.
that's larger than a drone. Just within hours of release, Luigi here. You can find his channel in the description. He already has one of these. He ran out and immediately bought one, and then now he's giving it to me for free, which is really cool. Okay, he's not giving it to me for free, but we have the Mavic Mini 3 Pro with the new controller, the new smart controller. What do they call this one?
RC.
The RC.
RN1 is the base. RC is that one.
The RN1. This isn't even really going to be a first impressions video. I just want to fly around with the drone a little bit with Luigi here and mess around.
How do you make it look easy? I want to make it look easy so these people... It's the Mini, so I don't want to make it look like it's hard to fly. Like, oh, did you ever see Luigi? You ever see him fly a drone? Never stop rolling. You don't want to miss the... Oh, dude, there's us. I mean, I've seen us the whole time because I could see the drone right in front of me. Can I crash bomb onto us? Meow. Kamikaze, brand new. Oh, wrong way.
That is so cool. The TikTok perspective. Look how cool that looks.
Looks like we're looking on a phone. You have to turn the controller this way so you get a full screen.
Right? Next, they'll have a flippable screen. No, I just wanted to make a short video, giving my first impressions, which, I don't know, it's not even really first impressions.
51%.
51%. The battery life is kind of badass. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna record in slow motion. So you have to run that way, jump off the wall, and run back on action. Action.
I didn't even get any height. You're supposed to get higher when you do that. We have to do a redo. Yeah.
All right. Well, first, we're gonna do the TikTok angle of you doing your jump. Yeah, and we're gonna shoot it a little bit lower because that's, that'll make it look like he's going higher.
Dude, I'm gonna kick off
Down.
this time.
Boom. Okay, so action.
Slow?
Yep. All right, so I have it locked into active track now. So, and it's on you, so go ahead and walk around. Yeah.
Yeah, we have dumpsters. 15, 18, 24. Oh, you want the price? You got the price. It's good?
Yeah. Come back.
I'm back. No phone?
Yeah, it don't matter.
Drug deal in the alleyway? Should I puff up my chest? Oh, it doesn't have side avoidance, does it?
No, I was watching it. Dude, it stayed on you perfect. So yeah, it's just a little video. We just landed. You can see some of the footage that I already played. It's pretty cool. I own every DJI drone, or I have owned every DJI drone. This is the first one I haven't owned, and I really want it. It's just...
I just want to fly around like that because these look like little rockety things on there.
I want it for the dumbest reason, though.
Because you could fit it in your...
No, I have
Your
one that I can fit in my pocket. No, I want it for TikTok mode.
Look at this. It's in my pocket.
That's awesome. Hold on.
I can't believe that.
It's in your pocket.
This remote's going to fit in without the sticks.
That's awesome. I want it for TikTok mode.
I could be... Dude, I could totally be the angry droner. 'Cause I could just...
See y'all.